How to change Uber Eats from bicycle to scooter. Now, for us to be able to head directly to the Uber Eats customer support or the help center, you'll have to use your web browser from your laptop or PC. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. Now, let's head to our search bar. Now, simply type in, I want to change my delivery method, Uber. Now you'll be seeing multiple results right here, but all you have to do is just simply choose on help.uber.com like this one. Now you will then be rerouted to the exact page we need. Now from here, if you're currently on a bicycle, just simply untick it and then choose on the specific scooter. Now from here, you'll have to be familiar with the scooter that you're using. For example, usually motorized bicycle is going to be a up to 125 cc or lower. Just simply tick that, then fill out the maker, the model, and the year of that scooter, the license plate. Now you'll have to take a photo of your license plate from your scooter and then upload it here. Now all you have to do from here is just simply type in I agree. Then just simply submit it. If you're using the app, once you have submitted this, the Uber customer support will be the one to get in touch to you. You'll just have to keep your lines open for you to be able to check if it was already changed. Now it will once this is changed and so once this is submitted, customer support will be the ones to change everything for you. You'll just have to wait for them to get back to you and then check on the updates from your Uber Eats application. So that's how easy you can change Uber Eats bicycle to scooter.